Hi guys, so I'm doing this CD job where I have to copy a bunch of CDs and put labels on it and so on and so forth. And I made a mistake. So I get through all the whole thing and I realize, oh, I printed the wrong website address on the labels. So I called the customer and told them it would take longer for me to get it done. And then I tried to figure out how am I going to redo this job. So I could have just redid the whole thing. I could have bought more CDs, bought more labels. Well, I had to buy more labels because I have to put the new ones on anyways. But there's an easier way to do it. I came up with the idea of erasing the label or just covering it. I tried a couple different things. Only blackout labels would really cover it, and unfortunately blackout labels for CDs really aren't available, or they're too expensive to really be worth doing. I went online and I saw a couple of videos by some guys that were talking about sanding it down or putting chemicals on it like nail polish remover and that kind of thing. I tried that. Sanding it down made it too smudgy and messy. And then what I did was I started experimenting and found out that just using regular tape on a CD label will pull the laser toner off the label. Let me show you. Okay, so here's the CD that I incorrectly labeled. You can see here that the website address is supposed to be truly huge, and I typed it in as tryly huge. So anyways, so what I found was that by taking some regular tape like this here and just putting it on the label, you hold it down like that and you pull it off. Simple as that. And you're not using the chemicals, you're not using a bunch of sandpaper, you're not making a mess, and it's really easy to do. And now that didn't take it all off, but you can see right there that the label's pretty much clean. That's when I'm going to finish it off, but there it is. And then here's one, with the ink on it. And that's how you do it. That's the easiest way to do it.